Do you know about types of galaxies? There are six types of galaxies: spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, lenticular galaxy, irregular galaxy, active galaxy. And in active galaxy, there are three types: Seyfert galaxy, quasar galaxy, and blazar galaxy. Let us know about one by one. Let us know about spiral galaxy. These galaxies resemble giant rotating pinwheel with a pancake-like disk of stars and central bulge or tight concentration of stars. The youngest stars form in the gas-rich arms, while older stars can be seen throughout disk and in the bulge. The barred spiral of galaxy indicates the galaxy is a matured one. Second one is elliptical galaxy. These are less common than spiral galaxies. These galaxies contains little gas and dust, show very little organization. The stars orbit around the core in random direction. Generally stars are older than spiral galaxy stars, since little of gas in these two forms
The
new
Andromeda
stars.
galaxy is a elliptical shaped galaxy. You can easily see in the sky the presence of Andromeda galaxy.
Let us see third one, lenticular galaxy. These are kind of cross between elliptical and spiral galaxies. In these galaxies, star formation process is very less. According to scientists, these galaxies are so older that the spirals are faded away. Fourth one is irregular galaxies. These galaxies have unusual shapes like toothpick, rings, etc. etc. These galaxies are as small as just 100 million times the sun mass, and large ones are 10 billion solar masses. According to astronomers, these galaxies are formed when one spiral galaxy collides with stronger gravitational pull galaxy, resulting in loss of material and distorting low gravitational pull galaxy. Some gas-rich galaxies may be formed by material pulled from low gravitational pull galaxy. Those one are larger shaped galaxies. The large one irregular galaxies hold significant amount of gas and dust, essential ingredient for making new stars. Active galaxy. Around 10% of known galaxies are active galaxies. These galaxies enter as 100 times brighter than combined light of their stars. According to the astronomers, the brightness of center of the active galaxy is due to the presence of supermassive black holes, which are billion times more massive than our sun. The reason for the brightness of the center is due to the gas and dust collect around the black hole forms a disk. The gravity of black hole compresses this disk and heats it up, which results in the brightness of the center of the active galaxy. This glowing disk of gas and black holes are embedded within a clumpy ring of cooler dust called torus. Our Milky Way galaxy is not an active galaxy. The black holes in these active galaxies also emit the powerful jets of quasars, blazars, and pulsars. These are the some types of galaxies.